Hey guys, welcome to this week's video. On this week's video I will be showing you how to make Saag Bhaji like the Indian restaurants, the pre-cooked version. I'm making it at home, so therefore I will be adding some green chilies and so forth onto it. So apart from that, everything else is exactly the same how we would normally make it at the Indian restaurant. So enjoy the video, don't forget to give it a like and a share. And comment below, let us know what you think of the recipe. So here we go guys, so add your oil. I'm only going to be making about 200 grams of spinach. I'll be using rather. So I'm going to add about half a table or teaspoon rather of Panch Phoran. Garlic, a bit of onion fat in there. There you go. I've cut about 5 cloves of garlic. I do like garlic, so I'll put in about one or two more than I would normally do for this size portion. But hey, that's one of the benefits of making these dishes at home. You get to make the dish to your preference. As long as you follow the principles of the cooking, you can by all means add more flavour to it, more chilies or anything like that. So this is going to be Saag Bhaji. Right, so our garlic is nice and golden brown. So I've got some onion, about half an onion, there's about 50 grams on there. And I'm just going to wait for this to caramelise slightly. So the salt, so about a quarter there, add to taste. Now the dry red chilies, I've added them, they are going to give a nice little smoky flavour to my saag. So they will go nice and crispy. A quarter teaspoon of haldi turmeric powder, and that's all our spices we need to make our Saag Bhaji. Don't put too much turmeric powder in, because if you do then it will be bitter. So quarter for this size of portion is fine, or even slightly less if you want to. Just going to cook the spice for a couple of about 30 seconds or so before I add the saag in there. Spinach goes in. And that's really it guys, this is how you cook the Saag Bhaji. All we've got to do now is just wait for the saag to cook. Give it a good mix. So this Saag Bhaji is really quick, really easy to make guys, but it's going to take absolutely amazing. The Panch Phoran, I've added some extra garlic in there, it's going to give it so much flavour. I've also got some chilies, I've also got a bit more chilies to go in. I'm going to add all these. put the description on the link below. As soon as the saag changes colour, or you know when the saag is cooked, you'll taste it, you'll see it. The saag will be ready. Add my chilies in now. A couple of minutes before the saag is cooked. Now this is going to add the heat as well as the smell's going to be amazing. The chili is going to give out the smell from the chili. Now if you have got some coriander, you can add some fresh coriander. I ran out of fresh coriander, lockdown problems. Right, here we go guys. Our Saag Bhaji is ready. Just under 10 minutes, or just over 10 minutes. So I just think it's just taken us 10 minutes to cook our Saag Bhaji from scratch. So generally in the Bengali household, this is how we would have the Saag Bhaji. At the Indian restaurants, we cook exactly the same way, apart from we don't add the chilies. And then what we do, so this would be the pre-cooked Saag Bhaji. And then what we would do is add some base gravy when we cook the order. Add some base gravy along with some mixed spices and so forth. Well, I hope you enjoyed this recipe, guys, and do give it a like, share, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Enjoy the recipe.